Remember that sinking feeling when you reach into your pocket and it's empty. Your phone, your lifeline to the digital world has vanished. Maybe it slipped out at the coffee shop, or maybe a mischievous magpie made off with it. Whatever the reason, it's a moment of panic we've all experienced or will. The days of frantically calling your own number are fading fast. Technology has stepped up its game, offering a suite of security features that would make even James Bond jealous. Android, in particular, has become a fortress for your precious device and the valuable data it holds. So, before you resign yourself to a life without Instagram, let's dive into the world of Android's anti-theft arsenal and discover how you can keep your phone safe and sound and out of the clutches of thieving birds. Android security features are like a multi-layered cake of protection, each layer adding another level of defense against would-be phone snatchers. These features aren't just about keeping your physical device safe, they also protect your precious data, those embarrassing selfies, and those late-night online shopping sprees. At the heart of this fortress are three powerful tools: Biometrics, Find My Device, and Google Play Protect. Each plays a crucial role in keeping your Android experience secure and giving you peace of mind. Think of them as the digital superheroes of your smartphone, always ready to leap into action. In the following sections, we'll break down each of these features, exploring how they work, why they're important, and how you can use them to transform your Android device into an impenetrable vault. Remember those spy movies where agents unlock secret doors with their fingerprints? Well, that futuristic tech is now an everyday reality thanks to biometrics. Android devices utilize your unique biological traits, whether it's your fingerprint, face, or even your iris, to make sure only you can access your phone. Gone are the days of easily guessed 4-digit PINs. Biometric authentication is like having a high-tech bouncer guarding your phone's entrance, allowing only those with the right biological credentials to enter. This not only keeps casual snoopers at bay, but also makes it incredibly difficult for even the most determined thief to access your personal information. So the next time you unlock your phone with a touch or a glance, remember that you're not just using cool technology. You're employing a powerful security measure that keeps your data safe and sound. We've all been there, that heart-stopping moment when you realize your phone is missing. Did you leave it at the restaurant? Did it mysteriously vanish from your bag? Enter Find My Device, Android's guardian angel, ready to swoop in and save the day. This ingenious feature uses your Google account to pinpoint your phone's location on a map, no matter where it's hiding. Whether it's nestled under a pile of laundry or enjoying an unexpected adventure across town, Find My Device can track it down. But it's not just about locating your lost phone. Find My Device also lets you remotely lock your device, ensuring no one can access your data. You can even display a message on the screen offering a reward or a plea for its safe return. And if all else fails, you can remotely erase all your data, protecting your privacy even if your phone falls into the wrong hands. The world of apps is a vast and sometimes treacherous landscape. While many apps are harmless and helpful, some can be malicious, lurking in the shadows, waiting to exploit your device. This is where Google Play Protect steps in, acting as your personal app bodyguard. This built-in security feature constantly scans your apps for any suspicious activity, keeping a watchful eye out for anything that could compromise your phone's security. Think of it as a digital security guard patrolling the App Store, sniffing out trouble before it can reach your device. Google Play Protect also scans apps you've already installed, ensuring that even if an app turns rogue, it's quickly identified and dealt with. It's like having a personal antivirus software constantly working behind the scenes, protecting your device from any app-related threats. While these features are incredibly powerful, their effectiveness relies on a crucial element: you. Setting up these features before disaster strikes is key to ensuring your phone remains secure no matter what life throws your way. Take a few minutes to activate biometrics, familiarize yourself with Find My Device, and double-check that Google Play Protect is enabled. It's a small investment of time that can save you a world of trouble down the road. Think of it as preparing for a digital storm. While we hope you never experience a lost or stolen phone, having these features ready and waiting is like having an umbrella on a cloudy day. It's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. In a world where our phones hold our memories, our secrets, and sometimes even our bank accounts, security is paramount. Android's anti-theft features offer a robust shield, protecting our devices and our data from the ever-present threat of loss or theft. While no security system is perfect, the combination of biometrics, Find My Device, and Google Play Protect creates a formidable defense against even the most determined digital villains. And the best part? These features come standard with most Android devices, offering peace of mind without any extra cost. So the next time you pick up your Android phone, remember that you're holding more than just a device. You're holding a secure vault, protected by an army of digital guardians all working tirelessly to keep your data safe and sound. In the digital age, our phones are more than just communication devices. They're extensions of ourselves, holding our memories, our secrets, and our connections to the world. Protecting these devices is no longer optional, it's a necessity. Android's anti-theft features empower us to take control of our tech, safeguarding our devices and our data from the unpredictable nature of life. They offer peace of mind, ensuring that even if our phones go astray, our information remains secure. So don't wait until disaster strikes. Explore these features, activate them, and take charge of your tech. You'll be thankful you did. As we navigate the digital world, our phones are our constant companions, holding our lives in their sleek rectangular forms. While we can't predict every mishap, we can equip ourselves with the tools to mitigate the damage. Android's theft protection features act as a safety net, offering a sense of security in an uncertain world. They're a reminder that even in the face of loss or theft, we have the power to protect our precious data and maintain our digital privacy. So embrace these features, explore their potential, and rest assured that your Android device is well protected. After all, a safe phone is a happy phone, and a happy phone means a happy you.